Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this flower vase. This is unique shape and I am sure that after watching this tutorial you can make it in your home easily. Just some basic material required: homemade clay, white cement or plaster of Paris and little bit color. I am using white cement, JK cement in India. Anywhere you can find this one. This is quite good, but you have to see the date. It should not be expired or should not be too old. Just 40-30 rupees will get it. In a cold drinks bottle I took 400 gram of white cement. I'll mix with water and put it inside of a balloon. That concentration, it's depend on you how fast you want to make it. Generally 2:1 ratio water and white cement. I will mix it, and after putting inside of a balloon, just shake it little bit. I'm using just homemade clay to decorate this one. All details, everything I'll get you will get it in the description. In a container I am just fixing it, and I'll rotate it for 15 to 20 minutes continuously. You can put some clip or something to hold, keep the shape, circular shape unique. Once you remove that one after 15-20 minutes, it will take little more cement. It will take little bit more time, close to 45 minutes. Or if you give 1 or 2 hours for soaking the ambient and the water, you will get a good shape. Inside of the balloon, that shape already came. Once I remove the balloon, see, air will go inside, and see, the surface will be look little smooth. And if you make with a cement, put little bit water and soak into water, the cement will not crack. In the same thing, I have not put much water, so one side it got crack, you can see. But after putting clay and everything, that cracks and those marks are not visible. See, the shape is little bit nice. I like the shape. In this shape you can make any type of flower vase or room decoration item. Simple, any paper I am making some circular shape. Generally I use Fevicol as a adhesive. See, this is a synthetic adhesive, and it will hold the paper very nicely, and the bonding is really good. After making the circular shape, I will cut the side by scissor and little bit fold to get a different type of shape. Once the shape is ready, I will use paper tape to hold the cement inside, and the shape is depend on you how you want to make the shape. It can make a little bit more, little bit less, but paper tape is required. Else if you put cement inside, cement will come out, or plaster of Paris also you can use it. I have made multiple video with plaster of Paris and cement. You can check my channel for other tutorials. The bottom side shape is ready. Now top of the cement shape I will put that paper with a Fevicol glue. Any side you can fix it. Fevicol is a synthetic adhesive, so once it dried up, it will not come out easily. But you have to soak in the water, then only it will come out. See, I have changed a little bit the structure. You see, there is a crack. That crack came once it dried up. That's why I'm telling, once you made with a cement, soak in water properly, at least 24 hours soak it, then any kind of cracks will not come. Again, cement and water mixture I am putting inside of the paper shape. I will full it completely, so bottom side it will get a little bit more wet, and it will help to get balance. This structure is ready. After 4 to 5 hours, or if you keep it for at least 10 hours, the cement will be get dried up. Then remove the paper from outside. You can use any kind of sandpaper, like a smooth shape sandpaper or hard shape sandpaper, to make the unique shape outside. Bottom side is ready. Top portion again I made with the paper, and fixing the top portion with the same process with a Fevicol glue and white tape. After that I will make one more paper roll, keep it inside, and then side of the paper roll I'll put cement. So inside of that one will be hollow, or if you want you can make a drill or hole on the bottom shape to hold the water or the liquid fluid for the flower vase. Again I am using paper tape. Paper tape easily it will stick with the paper, and dry cement, if cement is wet, paper tape will not stick. So I would request to put in sunlight, or give some time to dry the cement structure, then any Fevicol or paper tape will stick it easily. I'm using little bit mud clay, because if I put a cement from top side, from bottom side, due to weight and liquidity of the cement, it may come out. Just bottom side I am covering the joint with mud clay. Any kind of river mud or any mud you can use it. This is just temporary. Once it dried up, it will come out easily, and you can clean it. This is made with cement, so water, soak, anything you can use it for cleaning the clay. See the inside center portion, one paper roll is there. Out of the center portion I am just putting some cement. See, from bottom side cement came out, but I have done some makeup. After drying up, we will just remove it, and the structure will be ready. We have to soak it into water, then easily paper, center and outside paper will come out, and the structure is ready. This structure looks unique shape, and you can create any kind of design whatever you want. There will be some bubble, crack, but if the structure is ready, you can do anything. See, I am using white cement and white glue paste, a little bit thick concentrate paste I am using, and giving one layer. So with that layer, clay and adhesive mixture will stick properly, and outside shape also you will be a little bit unique. I am using homemade clay to decorate the vase. The clay concentration, and it is little bit smooth. With hand only I am making the clay dough and clay rope kind of thing to decorate the flower vase. Everywhere I am using Fevicol or any kind of synthetic adhesive. I have lost some video due to recording, so that small flower making I cannot show. This here I am using simple clay mold. You'll get it in Amazon or Flipkart, anywhere. This clay mold is very cheap in India, 300-400 rupees. Good quality and multiple set clay mold you'll get it. Please check the description for all detail. Even in description I have given multiple homemade clay making video tutorial. Once the structure is ready, or decorate with a clay, keep it in a sunlight or any ambient temperature under the fan for at least 24 hours. So clay will become hard, and it will not come out easily. Once you put a color, after that if it get hard, it will squeeze, and some outside of the color white portion will come out. That's why every time we have to dry the clay and then put a color. on the in center of the small flower I will put small shape pearls, so it will look little bit aesthetic. And after decoration, I really like this flower vase structure. I have decorated these flowers in my home. Everything is homemade and it is very cheap. That clay is made with corn and fevicol, little bit chemicals I have added as preservative. You can put any kind of color also. This white color also little bit looks good to me, but I want to make it in different shapes, so I am using acrylic color, simple black acrylic color I am using. Let it dry up. After drying up, it will be complete look like a black. So each and every corner inside I have put a color properly. You can use a spray color, but spray is not good for our ambient. After once a black color dried up, I'll use any kind of copper metallic color. Then I will polish it with a varnish or any top coating. All description you will get it in my channel. If you like the video tutorial, please subscribe and please help me to grow by subscribing and sharing my videos. Thank you.